Hey everybody, I'm getting ready to watch episode 9 of Game of Thrones. I think I pretty much reviewed everything I wanted to at the end of the last episode, so I'm going to link that up here if I remember to. I never remember to put anything up here, but you can go to my playlist. I always have that down in the description bar. I kind of want to just go ahead and get into episode 9. I'm almost done with this season, and I'm so excited. I'm like almost halfway through with catching up with everybody else, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and watch.
Are you sure about this?
No.
It's dangerous.
If we take Tywin's castle from him, the Lords of Westeros will realize he's not invincible. Take his home, take his gold, take his power.
Why are you telling me?
You begged me not to send Theon to negotiate with his father, and I ignored your advice. Now Winterfell is burnt to the ground. The north is overrun with Ironborn, and Bran and Rickon are gone. So Casterly Rock. I'm asking your advice.
Finally.
We have enough men?
If Walder Frey cooperates.
If Walder Frey cooperates.
They're gonna have to pay him so much. Half of Winterfell or something.
If we... Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
One of them was supposed to be queen. Now none of them are. This is our Wyatt, my daughter Walda, my granddaughter Freya, my granddaughter Werthal, Walra, Waldina.
I'm married.
And here's my youngest daughter, Sheree. Though she hasn't bled yet, clearly you don't have the patience for all that.
My ladies, all men should keep their word.
There she is. Come closer. Let me have a look at you.
No. Oh, that's weird.
Oh, you tried to hide her under that dress. If you wanted to hide her, you shouldn't have brought her here in the first place. I can always see what's going on beneath a dress. Been at this a long time. I bet when you take that dress off, everything stays right where it is. Doesn't drop an inch. Your king says
I thought he was gonna mention her belly.
I say he betrayed me for firm tits and a tight fit. Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess behind us.
There.
Ugh,
Perhaps you lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter.
I don't like
Head
him.
off our army. The masters of Yunkai will pay you your fee, and you won't have to split it 3 ways because you've already slaughtered your part.
It's his chin.
You have a very suspicious mind.
Hell no.
You leave tonight.
Very good.
Okay, Grey Worm.
We'll prepare.
He trusts him.
It leads through the wall, right down into the Night Fort. If one knows how to find it, which just so happens, I do.
How do you know all that?
I read about it in a very old book.
You know all that from staring at marks on paper.
Yes.
You're like a wizard.
Oh, He said he always wanted to be a wizard. Oh, look at the pig's head back there.
No one's going to believe you're a hog farmer if you eat them all.
Best part of the animal. Don't worry, they're still there. Closest you've been to family since Ilan Kane snipped your daddy's neck.
Someday, I'm going to put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Brown eyes.
Hold on!
Quiet, Hodor.
Hold on!
Make him shut up if they hear us.
Hush, Hodor. No more Hodor.
Hold on! Hold on! Hold on!
What the hell? Holy shit. Is he taking a... Holy shit.
What did you do? Nothing. I don't know.
That's not... That's not working as animals. What the fuck was that?
What's that?
You're one of us now. Prove it.
John, please. You know better.
Do it. Do it.
Told you. He's still one of them.
There's no purpose. He's old.
He's a crow. He'll always be a crow.
You're not gonna die for one of them!
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
What's he gonna... I'm confused. What is he gonna do? He can do it at will now? Hell yeah.
You were right the whole time.
All the birds are gonna attack them. Kind of feel bad for her, a little. Where the hell did she come from?
Lord Edmure, I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
You're a delight to me, my lady. You may now cloak the bride and bring her under your protection.
I'm not gonna cry at weddings. I'm not gonna cry at weddings.
This day, until the end of my days.
he turned around.
All we know, Castle Black's already under attack. If this many wildlings
I
got
already
through...
told you. I'm not going north of the wall.
Everything Jojen told me was true. You saw what I did to Hodor. I have to find the three-eyed raven.
Listen to me, Lucky.
Don't worry. I'm not asking you to come with me. It won't be safe for Rickon.
Me? I'm coming with you.
No. You and Osher and Shaggy Dog head for the last half. The Umbers are our bannermen. They'll protect you.
I'm coming with you. I'm your brother.
He's so adorable.
I have to protect you.
Right now, I have to protect you.
Your family took me in and was good to me when they had no cause to be.
I am not gonna cry.
Keep this one safe. He means the world to me.
And Dariona Harris?
I love Dany, but I almost called her very wordy dirty. and she's worried about him over Jorah?
The city is yours,
That's
my queen.
slime ball?
Don't you drink, Lord Bolton?
Bolton.
Never do, my lady. Dulls the senses.
That's the point.
Yeah, he didn't with Jamie
Did
either.
you marry one of these Frey girls?
Aye. Lord Walder let me choose any of his granddaughters. And promised
He's
me the
married to a
castle
Frey
and silver
girl?
as a dowry. So I have a fat young bride.
I hope she makes you very happy.
Well, she's made me very rich.
Pardon, my lord, my lady. I need to find a tree to piss on.
It's tradition. Without the bedding ceremony, there's no real proof the lord and lady consummated their marriage.
No, but there are other ways of providing proof.
Like a baby.
Boy or girl?
I don't know. But if it's a boy, I know what we should name him.
Oh, do you? It seems to me the father should have some say in his son's naming.
Eddard. Don't you want to teach little Ned Stark how to ride horses?
I do.
Catelyn, like, she's happy. She's gonna be a grandma. Of course she's happy. Arya's there.
Where are you going? Got salt, got pig's feet too.
Are you soft in the head? Turn this cart around.
She's gone.
I feel I've been remiss in my duties. I've given you meat, and wine, and music, but I haven't
Why is she all like...
shown you the hospitality you deserve. My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
Is that chainmail? What the fuck? Fucking Bolton. No, no, no. Turn around, Arya.
Are you ready to head home to win?
They're killing all the Stark people? Arya, just leave.
It's too late.
What the hell is happening?
The king in the north arises.
Oh.
Lord Walder! Lord Walder, enough! Let it end! Please. He is my son. My first son. Let him go, and I swear we will forget this. I swear it by the all gods and you. We will take no vengeance.
You already swore me one oath right here in my castle. You swore by all the gods your son would marry my daughter!
On my honor as a Tully. On my honor as a Stark. Let him go, or I will cut your wife's throat.
He doesn't care. He doesn't care.
I'll find another.
Mother,
Send their regards.
I guess now we know what Bolton was doing. They killed the men in the army too. And what was his wolf's name? Greywind? Y'all told me his name. I'm so glad the Hound stuck around, so Arya wasn't killed too. That's damn good writing, though. That's damn good writing. Walder Frey at the beginning, like, saying, we'll just let this whole thing in, like, he just sat there. I don't know why I'm surprised or mad about it, but he just sat there like, I want to watch another episode because I need something happy to happen. I swear to God, the next episode is not happy, I'm fucking done with this show. I feel like I'm being so dramatic right now and I don't want to be. I ate and I talked to my friend and ate some more and had a margarita. I feel a little bit better now. The only reason I'm going to go ahead and watch another episode right now is because I don't want to end on that note. If I end right there, I am done. Like, mass murder of good people kind of makes you mad. They killed Mama Stark. They killed Lady Stark. I can't. And Talisa and the baby. It's funny because the whole time I said Frey is going to be pissed. They're going to have to give him something. He's going to ask for something more. But he didn't even ask for something else. You know, that's what's making me mad, is that he didn't even try to get something else to make up for that loss in his mind. If he wanted to, Robb would have given him lands in the north and made him lord of something or right hand of something. You know, because Robb was that desperate. He could have done something else to make up for that. Bolton is gonna rot in hell. 7 hells. We knew he was up to no good. We knew he was up to no good. How long had they been planning that? Yeah, since the first episode, actually. He lied to Robb and said that Theon had fled and that Theon burned Winterfell and whatever. He lied to him the first episode. So they've been planning this for a while. We're going to backtrack before that. I can't talk about any of the Stark stuff because that's just going to upset me. But, wait, no, I have to. Because the very first scene was Robb Stark finally talking to his mother and trying to get her input. Because anytime he decides something, he goes against what she says and it ends up bad. So he finally listens to her, but it's too late. Dany and those 3 jerks, he is so slimy and cringeworthy, and I'm so mad that at the end Jorah comes in bloody, sweaty from battling, out of breath, and she stands there and says, what about what's his face? Did he survive? Are you kidding me? Jorah's been with you since like episode 1 of this. He's been with her for so long. He's been with her through her marriage and her baby and trotting through the desert and that chaos ridiculousness at Karth, and you ask me about someone you just met 4 days ago? Really? Yeah, she just lost some points. I love her and I love her story because it's a very good rise above where you started from story, but I am so pissed at her right now. She asked Jorah, who she knows has feelings for her, about Dario. That's his name, right? Yeah, Dario. Sam and Gilly, the conversation with them where she was asking him about reading. She's like, "You're like a wizard." Oh man, if that's not true love, I don't know what is. He said that in season 1 that he wanted to be a wizard. And John laughed at him. That was so funny. Arya and the Hound, with them meeting that guy on the road, and the Hound wanting to kill him. Like, you can't just go around killing people. That is the theme of this episode. Don't go around killing people. But she said, "I've met a killer, you know, better than you are." Who do you think would win between the Hound and Jaqen? My money is on Jaqen all day, right? Hagar wins it. Bran has now become a badass. Like, he could warg into the wolf, but him doing it to Hodor, that's something else. That is amazing. And like his friend said, the other boy, no one can do that anywhere. Because Bran asked, can they do that beyond the wall? And he was like, nobody can do that anywhere. That is crazy. Because he calmed Hodor down like so fast. And then he did the wolves and helped Jon, whatever. We knew Jon was not going to stay with them. Like, we knew Jon was not going to stay with them. The last episode where he was like, "You're not going to win. You won't be ready, blah, 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 blah," whatever. And she was like, all of us are going to. And I told you, like, he was not in the mindset that he was with them. Especially after the ridiculousness. They wanted to kill an old man just because, really, there was no reason to kill him. I'm glad that guy is dead, though. I didn't learn his name. I don't care. I'm glad he is dead. Yeah, he was for their cause. He knew their rules, and he was in love with Ygritte. But like, whatever. The wedding. Where did he get that pretty girl from? Is that even his daughter or granddaughter? We don't even know. What's his face could be married to some random chick. We don't even know who she really is, because she was way too pretty to come from him. Freaking filch. Very briefly, the bedding down ceremony is disgusting. They tried that with Tyrion and Sansa, and I really didn't get it because they didn't do it, but that is ridiculous. Like, I don't even know. I don't know how I'm gonna edit that. That whole episode was so good. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it, and I'm still mad. But I can't take a break right now, because if I take a break right now, I won't want to watch anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and watch episode 10 and be done with this season. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.